Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will make this beautiful and so easy beanie. It's so easy, you can make it easily. And also I want to show you, don't forget, you can find all of these beanies in my channel. Don't forget to look at them. Okay, I found some of here. I like it so much, that ivy. And that's the waffle beanie. You can find all of these in my channel. Now you can find it here. I put here. You can make it easily. Okay. Now I will use in this beanie Ören Bayan Tanya Madame Tricot Paris 100% of acrylic yarn. It's 100 grams and 120 meters, but I use for an adult nearly 150 meters. Okay, I use one ball and a little with that second ball. Its color number is 113. That yarn is size is 5 and bulky yarn. They recommend us use 4 or 5 millimeter hook, but I will use in this beanie 6.5 millimeter hook. I will give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks for your all supports. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our easy beanie. I will make my chains. I want to tell you, we crochet our beanie from the top and the end. So we measure our top of the head and end of the ear. And don't forget, we use this beanie, that brim part double folded. So you measure your head to ear, that part, and you will add here nearly 5 centimeters more. Okay, I will make my chains 28-30 centimeter nearly, and it's equal to the 40 chains. Make a slip knot first of all and make my chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I use in this beanie 40 chains, but I want to show you with a little sample. Okay, I have here 50. Yarn over and skip one stitch, insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab the yarn and join with a make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next one, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. That's the pattern. It's only one row repeating, and yarn over and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, make a slip stitch. When I come to the last stitch, yarn over, insert into the last stitch of the row, grab the yarn and make a usual half double crochet. Chain 2 and turn my work. Yarn over. This first stitch belongs to that 2 half double crochet. Count as a half double crochet. Now yarn over and insert into my hook from the second stitch, but not all the stitch. I will insert my hook from the only back loop. Grab the yarn and do the same thing, make a slip stitch. yarn over, insert from the next stitch back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch only back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch but only back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. I finish that, come to the last stitch and turn to you. I come at the end, that's last two stitch, yarn over, insert into the back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Last stitch, yarn over and insert into the whole loop, grab the yarn and make a usual half double crochet, as same as that starting point. Chain 2 and turn. First and the last stitch always usual half double crochet and make it a whole loop, but between that first and the last, all the stitches you will make yarn over, skip that first because we make here, insert into the second only back loop, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the back loop, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Yarn over, insert into the back loop, slip stitch, back loop and make a slip stitch. That's the pattern. You will make your chains top of the head, end of the ear, and crochet nearly 50 centimeter for an adult. For the child it's nearly 40 to 45 centimeter is enough for you, and the top of the head and the ear is totally 24-25 centimeter is enough for the child because we use that brim double folded. Okay, I finished that and turn to you. I crocheted totally 50 centimeter height, and you will adapt that sizes like that. I want to tell you, if you crochet this side, it has to be turn around your head or who you make this beanie, and this size, this width size is about your top of the head to the ear. Okay, you think about that, we double folded that brim part. Okay, so this sizes comes to the top of your head to ear, and this is 21 centimeter with that double folded. When I open that, it's 28. Okay, my 28 centimeter is equal to 40 chains in my yarn and hook. Now I finish my beanie and chain 1 and cut my yarn with long tail. You can join two sides together with single crochet and take only that front loop and both loop, but I want to sew this time. I take my wool needle and join two sides together, and you remember we start that side and we finish that side. So I will insert my hook from that front loop and take the both loops here. Take the front loop and take the both loop. as same as the hook. Front and wool, whole loop, front and whole loop. It's not important which side you join, because it's reversible. Okay, take the front loop, take the whole loop and join. I will finish and turn to you. I come to the end, take this last stitch and here for not opening again, I want to make safety sewing. Now we shrink the top of Beanie. I will insert my needle stitch to stitch like that. I come to the first starting point and get shrink that. I shrink it tightly, then sew the top of Beanie. I think that's enough. One more time, make a knot here. And cut my yarn. Then turn back to the front side. You can put here a pom-pom if you want. Here is the R joining. Where is here is our joining part. It's looking so clear. Then make our double folded and our Beanie is ready. You can use a pom-pom. I don't want to use now a pom-pom. It's so easy Beanie. You can adapt it every size, every age easily. You can make it every row a different color, or you can make it colorful. It's your choice. Don't forget, you can find a lot of pattern of Beanie in my channel. You can find now here. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.